Watson, and this is my player. And math is fun. Let's learn. Miss Watson here with another great math lesson. And in today's lesson, we will be answering questions on IXL about comparing sides and corners. All right, let's get started.
Which shape has more sides?
Okay, this is easy. The square has more sides than the triangle. Yay! Woohoo!
Which shape has more sides?
Okay. The hexagon has more. Which shape has more sides? Easy. It's the hexagon again. Okay, this time the square has more sides than the triangle. Woohoo! Okay, which shape has more corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Which shape has more sides? Okay, now they want to know the side, so it's the square over the triangle. Okay. Which shape has more
Which shape has more corners?
corners? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for the green shape and 3 for the triangle. So which one has more? The green one. Woohoo! It's a pentagon. Okay, which shape has more sides? Easy. We already know. All we have to do is look at the sides. So if you don't really get it, just make sure you're looking at the sides on each shape. Okay. Which shape has more sides?
Which shape has more sides?
You try to answer this one on your own without my help. Okay, if you selected green, then you are correct. Woohoo!
Which shape has more corners?
Okay, once again, try to do this one on your own. Square. The square has 4 and the triangle has 3. See? 1, 2, 3. Use the marker. Okay, which shape has fewer corners? So which shape has less corners? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the pentagon has fewer than the hexagon. Which shape has fewer corners? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the corners. Okay. So that's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this shape has fewer corners. Woohoo! We're doing good. Almost there. Which shape has more sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, can't get back. Let's go again. Shape sides. We lost it. There we go. All right. We have to start all over. Which shape has more sides? The square. Yes, the square. Okay. Which shape has more sides? The blue one. As you could see, you could just look at them and see. We're going to go a little faster so we could catch up. Which shape has more sides? Boom, purple. Purple. Come on, purple. Hexagon. It has 6. Which shape has more corners? 1. Let's do a little bit of 1, 2, 3, 4. The square. Woohoo! Which shape has more sides? The square. Which shape has more corners? The parallelogram. Which shape has more corners? Hexagon. Okay, we're almost back where we were. All right, which shape has more sides? I'm going to slow down for this one. Okay, more sides. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Hexagon. We had that one before. Which shape has more sides? Woohoo! Looks like a rhombus. Which shape has more corners? Hexagon. Which shape has fewer sides? So, pause the video and give this one a go and see if you can answer this one all by yourself. Which shape has fewer sides? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be the pentagon. Woohoo! Yes. Which shape has more sides? Easy. There we go. 82%, y'all. Which shape has more corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexagon has more corners than the diamond. Which shape has fewer sides? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. Nope. Let's erase that. Let's erase it. Yay, erase. Okay, 5. Okay, so which one has fewer? The diamond does. Okay, which shape has more corners? Looks like the pentagon does. Woohoo! The pentagon. Enter in the challenge zone. Which shape has fewer sides? Easy. The purple one. Okay, some people can just look at them and tell, and some people have to count them. So, which shape has fewer corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The orange shape does. 95%. We're almost done. Which shape has more sides? Boom. Yes. I was nervous on that one. Which shape has more corners? All right, I'm not going to guess on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the blue one. Octagon. Yes. One more. All right, pause the video and give this one a go and see if you can answer this one. Which shape has fewer sides? Okay, you should be back from pausing. Which shape has fewer sides? Green. Hopefully you picked the green shape. Yes, we got 100%. Mastered that skill in 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Good job.